Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve problem number 5153. Okay, let me check what is the problem number. Okay, yes, 153. Okay, so if you like my video, please do share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, or if you have any doubts, please do comment. I will solve it for you. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you, then everything will visible to you. Okay, I'm also show you something, that is I have a GitHub repo here, github.com, username dear Nidhi, and repo name is mastering DSA Python. Okay, mastering hyphen DSA hyphen Python. Okay, so you can check here, I have everything. Okay, so you got everything here. Okay, now I am going to move here in my notebook. Okay, find the minimum in rotate sorted array. Okay, so these are the numbers equals to 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, separated by comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 1, comma 2. Okay, here you can see I have 3. Okay, so I'm going to start from here, that is left. Okay, and what is the right? Right is last element. Okay, so left equals to 0 at index 0. I start my left. Okay, and here right, what we have right, so right equals to length of these numbers. Okay, so I have number 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5 number, length of number, that is 5. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 1. Okay, so right equals to length of number minus 1. Okay, so 5 minus 1, I got 4 here. Then I need to check this condition. Okay, this left is less than 0. Yes, this condition is true. Then we need to find out our middle. So here you can see. Okay, so 0 plus 4 divided by 2. So this is 0 and this is 4 divided by 2. So I at index 2, what I have? 5. Okay, so here this is our mid number. Okay, this is 5, that is our mid number. Okay, so then we need to check that this mid number is greater than number of right. Here you can see. Okay, so we need to check that this mid number is greater than number of right. So what we have at right at 4, index 4, what we have? 2. So we need to check this 5 is greater than or less than 2. Okay, so here you can see I'm going to check this condition. This mid number is greater than number of right, as this condition is true. Okay, if this condition is true, then we need to update our left. Okay, so now left will become mid plus 1. Okay, so what I have at mid index is 2. I have 5 here. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 in this mid index. So it is 2. Now after adding 1, it will become 3. Okay, that is our left. Okay, so now left equals to 3 and right equals to 4. I already said that initially left equals to 0 and right equals to 4. First index, last index. Okay, and here left equals to 3 and right equals to 4. Now update, after updating left, so it is 3 and right is still same. Okay, now we can check with left and right, this left and right. So 3 is left and 4 is the right. Again we are going to check this 3 is less than right. Yes, this condition is true. Then we need to calculate its mid. So mid, left plus right divided by 2, and it is 3. So I got index 3 in mid. So what I have in my index 3, that is 1. Okay, so here you can see I have 1, and number right, that is 2. Okay, at index 4, what do I have? 2. Okay, I need to check this condition again, that mid is greater than number of right. Okay, so number of mid is greater than number of right. No, this condition will fail. Then we need to update our right equals right will become mid. Okay, so that is 3. Still, I mean, now left is 3 and right is 3. Okay, so again we are going to check with left equals to 3, right equals to 3. Here I updated already, 3 3, left right is 3 3. Okay, now we can check this condition, 3 is less than 3. No, this condition will fail. We need to exit loop. Okay, and it will return 3. Okay, it will return left. So here I'm going to write code. Okay, so I'm going to import list by using typing. Here this is the class solution. I need to define one function, that is find minimum. Okay, so here number, these are the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3. So at index 3 I have minimum number. Okay, so I got 3 here. Okay, so these are the numbers. Okay, numbers would be in list because I have list, and these are in integer. Okay, because I have integer numbers. Okay, output should be in integer. Left equals to 0, right equals to length of numbers minus 1. I already defined this. Okay, and here I'm going to check while left is less than right. Okay, here left is less than right. Yes, this condition is true. Then we need to define, or we need to check mid. Okay, so mid equals to left plus right divided by 2. Here I did same, 0 plus 4. 0 is left and 4 is the right, divided by 2. I got 2, index 2. At index 2 what we have? At index 2 what we have? 5. Okay, and numbers of right, that is last index. Okay, so what we have at right, that is 4. Okay, now after find out right and left. Okay, okay, here I need to check if numbers of mid is greater than numbers of right. Numbers of right, RIGTH Okay, so here I'm going to check with this condition. Okay, mid is greater than right. Okay, by using this condition, here I need to put columns. If this condition is true, so first this condition is going to true, then I need to update my left. Okay, so left will become mid plus 1. Okay, so left equals to mid plus 1. Here our left will become mid plus 1, that is 3. Okay, so left is 3 and right is still same. Okay guys, so here after this I need to take 3 and 4. 3 is left and right is 4. Again I'm going to check 3 is less than 4. Yes, this condition is true. Then we need to check mid. Okay, so left plus right divided by 2. Here 3 plus 4 divided by 2. I got 3 here. At index 3 what we have? 1. Okay, then again I need to check this condition. This 1 is greater than 2. No, this condition is going to fail, so we don't need to execute this line. Okay, if this condition fail, then what I need to do, bro? Tell me. I need to update my right. Okay, so here I need to update right. Rig is equals to right is equals to mid. Okay, so right, what I have in my right? Right is 2. Previously I have right equals to 2. Now I am going to update right with mid. So what I have in my mid? Mid is 3. So now right will become 3. Okay, so I have left equals to 3 and right equals to 3. Okay, then return the left. Okay, so here I have left and right equals to 3 3. Then again I'm going to check with 3 3. 3 is less than 3. No, we need to exit from the loop. Okay, and our output is number left, that is 3. I hope guys you got it. So this is our output, that is 3. I got index at index 3 minimum number, that is 1. Okay guys, or you can test it with the help of you need to create one object. Should I create? Okay, so if you write print, you can do it by your own guys. I don't want to do it. Here you need to write solution class name. Here you need to define function, that is find minimum. Okay, here you need to pass these numbers. This is for testing purpose. Okay, so I got 1. I hope you got it. So this is our first minimum number in rotate sorted array.